Let's start today's recorder warm-up, learning our new notes, D and C. And let's start with our 5-note scales and arpeggios. These exercises are going to be great for getting from one note to the next note. And we also want to look at our counting. So we have a lot of half notes in this piece. So we have a half note here, one over here, and we have a bunch of half notes down here in this one. So remember our half notes, we count that as melon, melon, melon. And our quarter notes, we count those as beat, 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 melon. Sh, sh. Beat, 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 melon. Sh, sh. So we want to get our timing right too. Let's do our 5-note scale, the ascending and descending. Ascending means that we're going to go up. Descending means that we're going to come down. So it's G, A, B, C, D, sh, sh, D, C, B, A, G, sh, sh. Here we go. 1, 2, ready, go. Okay, now let's do the scale number 2. And this time it's going to go ascending and descending and back up again. But there's not going to be any of the rests, the sh in the middle of it. Okay, ready? Here we go. 1, 2, ready, go. Let's do that one more time. Ready, go. Okay, let's do number 3. It's the G major arpeggio, and this is the half note where it's melon, 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 sh, sh, melon, 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 sh, sh. Now you should, at this point, you should be tapping your toe with the beat. 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. Okay, ready? Here we go. Starting on G. G, B, D. Here we go. 1, 2, ready, go. Again. Let's do the G major arpeggio, quarter notes, and a couple of half notes. So we've got beats and melons. And this is our last exercise of this page. Here we go. 1, 2, ready, go. Let's do that one again. 1, 2, ready, go. Very good. This is a great warm-up before you start playing your music every day. So do this and do these exercises at least 3 times each and before you move on to the next one. So I'll see you over on the next piece that we're going to play. Bye.